Good morning and welcome to What's in the Shop. Here at Blackout Tinting, we take you behind the scenes and show you everything that we're working on. Because we like to show off, we want you to understand that we are busy, we know what we're doing, and I think it's just interesting for you guys to see. So hopefully you enjoy this little tour. In the tint bay behind me, we've got a Grand Cherokee. Terrell is tinting. I think he's just finishing up tinting that. In the ceramic bay, there's a Toyota Tundra. The ceramic coating is done on the paint and the wheels. We're finishing up the glass, and then it's also getting an interior ceramic coating. In front of the Tundra is a Challenger. We're in the process of vinyl wrapping this. We can't go any further. The shop that did the wide body kit is going to do some adjustments to the wide body kit before we proceed. There's some stuff that they're not really happy with, so they're going to make sure that that is handled. That's not through us. We don't do wide body kits. It's just somebody that we're kind of working with on this. We have a Ram dually. This had film installed elsewhere, and it was starting to get chipped up on the hips on the rear dually fenders. So we removed and replaced that film yesterday. I think this one's going home today. And here we have a Mustang. This is an interesting car. It has the bullet badge on the back and the interior, and it has the bullet front end that has no emblem. But I've never seen a bullet that's not green. So I'm not sure how that is a thing, but I would love to talk to the owner and find out like if that's some sort of special edition bullet or something. We've done a lot of bullets, but never black ones, so pretty cool. On the lift, we can get a nice action shot of Max installing PPF on the front bumper of this C8. This one's getting a full wrap. Is it your favorite color, Max? White is challenging to install PPF on because you get every little speck of debris or fiber that floats around in the air you can see. So you've got to be really, really clean. Of course, these guys are excellent at it, but it makes their job a little bit more difficult. So not that Max would ever complain about anything. He never complains, ever. In the wash bay, we have a 32 Ford. There's just something about an old freaking hot rod. I love it. It belongs to our friend Bob. We did a ceramic coating on this a year or 2 years, something like that. Coating's still performing flawlessly as is expected on a car that is obviously garage kept. Behind that, we have a BMW. Great color on this car. It got PPF before, and we're replacing a piece of PPF. So this car had something happen to the film, not a warranty issue, and we're redoing the film on that front bumper for that. Over here is a Kubota, and we're turning this from orange to white, a vinyl wrap. This is for University of Pittsburgh. It's one of their police vehicles on campus. So we're turning it white, adding a blue stripe, adding some police graphics to it. We're gonna be doing 2 of those for Pitt. It's Lincoln Navigator Week at LATROBE. We have 3 of the new Navigators, which we're not complaining about because they're freaking awesome cars. They're all black. Looks like the FBI showed up or something this week. This one that you're looking at, I'll be honest, I'm not sure which one it is, but I think they're all getting tint. One of them is getting a track package PPF, so hood, fenders, front bumper, mirrors, and the rocker panels and a coating. One of them is getting just a coating, and one of them is getting a full wrap and a coating. So 3 different packages on 3 different Navigators for 3 different people that don't know each other. They all just happen to show up on the same day, so really cool. Then we have a Z06. This one got PPF. I want to say this was a track package as well. The Harley-Davidson trailer that we wrapped and did some graphics on, that's done. We polished the metal on it too. It's looking a lot better than when it came in. So that one's ready to go home. Oh, there's also 2 of the exact same Grand Cherokees. That one I think is from the dealership. Weird how that works. Then we have a Cybertruck, which can't be mistaken for anything other than a Cybertruck. Windows are tinted, sunroof is tinted, full windshield I believe is tinted. If it's not, it will be. And it's next in line for PPF. We're gonna be doing a color change PPF wrap on this. I think satin black. Here's one of the other Navigators. This one is a little bit different. It's got blacked out badges. Then we have a GLC 300. This was in our tint bay yesterday. I'm pretty sure it got tinted. I'm not positive, and I apologize for that. We have our Toyota Crown Insignia. This one's here for PPF from a body shop. So a lot of people don't realize insurance does typically cover PPF. That's the case with this. Up front, we have a Hellcat. This one got PPF. We're waiting on the stripes from Dodge. They should be here today. Got my GT3 RS on the other side of that, and then the other Navigator that's part of the trio this week. That's it for what's happening in LATROBE. Let's check out Pittsburgh and South Florida.
Today we're at the Post and Rail Men's Shop in Ligonier, Pennsylvania, installing some Clearview Plus 70 on the French pane windows behind us. Cindy's been having issues over the years of stock fading and getting discolored from the sun, especially in the afternoon. So she wanted us to put a clear option on to protect that, but make sure that everything was true to color when you looked through the film, and Clearview Plus was the only option. Thank you very much. We'll see you guys on the next video.
Here we have this Lexus LC 500 in for our full wrap of the week. This car is getting our Expo Ultimate 8 paint protection film on the entire vehicle, XR Plus window tint all around, and our Fusion 4-year ceramic coating to top it off. Here we have this Prius getting full XR Plus tint all around, including the windshields, and a 70% windshield, 30% sides. Here we have our full wrap of the week. It's an SF90 XX Stradale. Came in for a full body paint protection film in our Expo Ultimate 8mm and XR Plus front window tint.
Thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to us yet and you'd like to see more content about the cars we're working on or some projects or whatever, if you're a car person, make sure you hit that button and we will see you next week.